Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Steve, and in today's video, I'm going to talk through, explain, and define two common terms that we hear a lot in relation to our accounts and our portfolios. That's asset allocation and asset location. Two independent terms. I want to explain the difference. First, asset allocation. What comes to mind when I hear that term is the word what. What in relation to what investments am I going to hold? Am I going to hold stocks, bonds, cash, or some combination of all of those? You might have heard something like 60, 40, or 70, 30, 80, 20, 90, 10. That's all just an allocation mix of stocks, bonds, cash, mutual funds, ETFs. It's saying 60-40 of all of that or 70-30. So it's the allocation, it's the mix of the underlying investments in your account or accounts. So it could be looking at one account or all of them versus asset location. So when I hear that term, I think of where. Not what specifically, but what accounts, where are those investments now held? So we've done a number of videos and articles and blogs on the three different types of accounts. So taxable would be like your checking, savings, joint, individual, maybe a trust account. Tax deferred, this would be your 401k or your IRA. Traditional now, so pre-tax. And the third here is tax-free. So this would be the Roth version of 401ks and IRAs. So taxable, tax-deferred, tax-free. These are now accounts. So not what I'm holding, but what accounts am I holding them in, or where is it located? So when we're thinking through this, as Rob and Michelle and the team are building a plan and building your portfolio, we're not thinking of just this or just this. It's not the verse or against each other, it's plus. It's the two of them combined. So when we're thinking of the stocks that you're going to own and how are they going to perform, and are they really something that will appreciate in value or hold steady? Are they paying dividends versus the bonds that maybe are paying interest, the cash paying interest as well? We're deciding what account for you makes the most sense to hold those in. And not only are we thinking of the 60-40 mix in totality, but we're also considering, okay, so maybe that taxable account or the tax-free or tax-deferred, that account specifically isn't 60-40, it's 100% stocks. And maybe we want that in your Roth account, something that's going to be tax-free. We want to have the highest appreciable assets, or something that's paying out interest or dividends. If you're already in a high tax bracket, maybe we want to protect those. So we'd have that in an IRA where it's deferred and you're not paying the tax until the future. All of that to say is the what and the where are really important. It's not either or. The plans that work and the plans that are most efficient and the plans where our clients are the most at ease is when we're considering both, doing both, everything's happening behind the scenes, and they're comfortable knowing that everything's handled. So if you don't have a plan or you don't understand the difference between the what and the where, and we can help you, please reach out. We have a number of different resources that show what we do for clients and help them live the life that they want and not worry about the investments.